Okay, guys, I want to quickly check just a few of these. Let's look at inferencing real quickly. You should have already completed this, so we're going to check it together. Inferencing. He saw the finish line and noticed that everyone was behind him. So what do you infer from this story? The little boy probably did what? He probably won the race, or he probably crossed the finish line first. So that is what you are inferring from this little sentence here. He saw the finish line. Everybody's behind him. So what do you infer is going to happen? He will win the race. All right? AW or AU. What goes in the blanks here? This is Jan, Sauce, and Paul. Jan, Sauce, and Paul. Jan will be Y-A-W-N. Sauce, S-A-U-C-E. And Paul, P-A-W. Shades of meaning, 2 more words that mean the same as pretty. Let me hear some. Lovely, beautiful, very good. All right, what's another word that can go here? We have sand, ocean, bucket, crab, wave, anything that you may see at the beach, sunshine. Here, cake, cookies, pie. What's something else that is a yummy dessert? Maybe ice cream. Or what's another good dessert? Maybe you could say pudding. So these are the sweets, desserts category. This would be the beach or the ocean category. I'm going to let you sort these adjectives. Does 7 tell you how many, what size, or what color? How many, of course, and you can go ahead and do those. A verb, an action verb is something I can do. Oh, an action verb is something I can do. I can swim, I can run, I can jump, I can play. Oh, an action verb is something I can do. So, what can you do here? Do you laugh or do you teach her? Yes, laugh would be your verb. Do you swim or do you quietly? Swim is what you can do. Can you skip or do you fence? Skip is what you can do. And the correct spelling of the word turn, T-U-R-N. So that's a quick check on those. And now we're going to look at quotation marks. Now, we've talked about this in our Being a Writer. And remember, we have called them direct dialogue, okay? So when someone is speaking, you put quotation marks around exactly what they're saying. And I'm going to do most of this with you. It says circle the quotation marks before and after the exact words that each speaker says, okay? Sam, what are you doing after school? That is exactly what Alonzo asked. So we're going to circle the quotation marks there, and we're going to circle them there, okay? You're circling the quotation marks. So boys and girls, all of this is exactly what Alonzo is saying. So when y'all are doing your morning writing and when you're writing paragraphs for your spelling words this week, I definitely want you to include some direct dialogue. So you may say, Stephanie asked, Sophie, will you come play with me? So Stephanie's doing the talking, and what does she say? Sophie, will you come play with me? So Sophie, will you come play with me would be in quotation marks. That would be the direct dialogue. Sam said, I think I'll go swimming in the lake. So what is Sam saying exactly? I think I'll go swimming in the lake. Here are your quotation marks. Now I want you to complete this page, circling the quotation marks and noting exactly what the speaker is saying. And then at the bottom, I want you to continue this conversation. Write me 2 more sentences where Alonzo and Sam are talking. What might they say to each other? And use your quotation marks, okay? I'm going to be checking these at the end of this week. I'm pretty sure it's the end of this week. I get all my lesson plans confused, but when you finish this book, you're going to be sending it in, and I will be checking all of this, okay? So I want 2 good sentences using quotation marks.